So the original concept for my mini mausoleum ghost was a static image with a flickering light behind it that was to mimic, a projected image, but it was still. So this year I've decided to upgrade and give it an actual animation motion. So I created kind of a drum shape that hangs inside the mausoleum with it's still backlit, but as the ghost goes around in a circle, it's screened so that you can't see it, except for when it passes through the light. So the last couple of years, the static image served me pretty well. Kids seem to love it, and they always do respond to kind of cool decorations, but it needed some action. It's kind of just catches your eye better. Too many people were just walking by, and I want people to just enjoy the prop a little more. So I'm trying to give it a little more creepy effect, make it look like there's really a spirit in there that is inhabiting the mausoleum and kind of going around inside, trapped in Death's little dark room. So it turned out pretty cool. Can't wait to use it this year.